my dear traders, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going deep dive into technical analysis, and we are going to use extra tool, which is Stochastic Oscillator Indicator. I'm going to show you how you can trade with this indicator and to make serious profits on Quotex platform. So my dear traders, I really suggest you to watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you everything I know about Stochastic Oscillator Indicator, so maybe perhaps you will like the way I trade and you can implement it on your own. So my dear traders, let's get started. So guys, about everything in order, and in order to connect this indicator, click on this button on the lower left corner. A list of indicators opens in front of us. We will find and select the Stochastic Oscillator from the list. We also leave all settings by default. There is no need to change anything. You can also choose any color you need if desired. So as you can see, we have an indicator connected under the chart. It consists of horizontal lines marked 70 and 30, as well as two moving averages in green and red. For example, when the moving average is below the horizontal line at 30, it means that the price is currently in the oversold zone, and most likely a reversal will occur from this area and the price will move up. Accordingly, in such situation, we can open a deal to go up in uptrend. And when, for example, the moving average is above the horizontal line at 70, it means that the market is in an overbought zone. And it is more likely that a reaction will also occur from this zone in the near future. The price will move down. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we could open a deal down. Also, of course, guys, when using this indicator, don't forget about the support and resistance levels. We also pay attention to the overall trading situation. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and indicator combined will help us earn money. Be sure to watch this video till the end. Today we will look for similar situations in the market, and of course we will try to make profit on them. So guys, we have support level down here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the price has reached our level and went beyond it. That is, at the moment there has been a certain breakdown of the support level. In this situation, it's just opening a deal for just 1 minute to go up, because we can see that the moving average is in the oversold zone and they also start to turn around and move up. That is, in this way, we understand that there has been a reaction from this area and an upward movement is expected in the near future. Just at the moment the confident impulsive green candle has formed, guys. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. I think 1 minute will be enough in this situation, since it is quite possible that even after an upward pullback in the near future, the price will turn around and continue to move down again. That is, the support level will be fully broken, because we also see that the overall price potential is still moving down significantly and the main price highs are also getting lower. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. That's great, guys. It's not bad at all. As you can see, there has indeed been an upward pullback and we got the profit here. We have managed to earn on this upward movement. As you can see, the indicator turned out to be right and it suggested us a really good entry point. I have correctly predicted the further price movement, guys. It's a good start. Let's continue. After a while, we see that after the upward pullback, the price turned around. The red candles began to form. This is where we'll open 1 minute deal to go down. At the same time, we also see that the moving average is in the overbought zone. At the same time, they turn around and begin to move down. That is, there has already been a reaction from this area. This means that the downward movement is expected in the near future. It is on this movement that we'll try to make money. Also, as I expect, it is quite possible that this time this level will be fully broken. In any case, guys, 1 minute will be enough, so let's wait for the result.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price really continued to move down and we got a profit here. I have again correctly managed to predict the further price movement and the indicator helped us in this. Well, I hope that you have already understood the principle of operation of this indicator. As you can see, in combination with technical analysis, this indicator works great. Alright guys, we also have a level of support. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the price is moving away from the level. Green candles are beginning to form. We'll open a deal for a minute to go up. It is more likely that after a confident downward movement, a reaction will also come from the support level. There will be a reaction, at least a small upward pullback. It is on this upward movement, on a small pullback, that will try to make money. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the moving average is in the oversold zone, and this also means that the reaction is more likely to occur from this zone. That is, the price will push off from this area and will move up. I hope that 1 minute will be enough for us here, and we'll have time to work with you on this upward corrective movement. Guys, at this moment the green candle is beginning to form, so let's wait for the result. Alright guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, there has indeed been an upward pullback and we got the profit here. I have really correctly managed to predict the further price movement. As you can see, these situations don't work out badly. Guys, let's continue. So guys, I decided to open the next deal here on the same currency pair after some time, as we see that upward pullback, the price turned around, red candlesticks began to form. Here I was just opening a deal for 1 minute to go down in a downtrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future, and it is also quite possible that it will be broken. We also see that the moving average is currently in the overbought zone. At the same time, they turned around and are starting to move down. That is, in this way we understand that there has been a reaction from this area. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. We also see that the overall price potential is going down. That is, the main price highs are getting lower, which also tells us that the market is dominated by a downward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move down and the support level was also broken, and we got the profit here. I have managed to earn on this downward movement. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again and suggested us a good entry point. As you can see, I correctly predicted the further price movement. Technical analysis, indicator hints, and trading experience combined were great. And so, my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, here we can see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. We can see that at the moment there is a certain tightening of the resistance level. At the same time, we also see that the moving average starts from the horizontal line at 30 and continues to move further. That is, in this way we understand that the price is in the oversold zone and an upward movement is expected in the near future. This is where we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. It is quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money. Guys, let's wait for the result. So my dear traders, it's not bad at all. The price has really continued to move towards the level and we got the profit. I have really managed to earn on this upward movement, and as you can see, the indicator turned out to be right again and suggests us a really good entry point. The most important thing is that I have managed to earn on this upward movement. Guys, let's continue. So guys, this is where we see the level of support, and we see that there has been a steady upward pullback from this level. And now after the pullback, the price reversed and red candlesticks begin to form. In these situations, just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. At the same time, we also see that the moving average is in the overbought zone. At the same time, they turn around and move down. Thus, we understand that in the near future, the price will reverse from this area and will move down. We will try to make money on this downward movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be totally enough for us. It's not bad at all, guys. There has been some fading, but still the downward movement continued and we got the profit. I have managed to earn on this movement. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. It suggests that's a really good entry point. As you can see, this situation combined with technical analysis really doesn't work badly, guys. So let's continue because everything is going great. Here we have a certain level of resistance at the top. We also see that the price has rebounded from this area and is moving down. At the same time, we can see that the moving average is currently in the oversold zone. This means that it is quite possible that a reversal will occur from this area in the near future. We also see that the overall price potential is going up. In this situation, as just opening a deal for 2 minutes up on the uptrend, it is quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the resistance level in the near future, because we also see that the main price lows are getting higher, that is, the price is moving up significantly. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. We'll try to make money on this upward movement. I hope 2 minutes will be enough, guys, so let's wait for the result. That's great. The price continued to move up and we are making profit here. 2 minutes was just enough for us. As you can see, the indicator again helped us determine the oversold zone from which the reaction came, and I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. Also, of course, we took into account the general current trading situation. So my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, I decided to open the next deal here on the same currency pair after some time. We will go with you for a minute up. As we can see, after the downward pullback, the price turned around and green candles began to form. At the moment, there is a certain tightening of the resistance level. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. At the same time, we also see that the moving averages on the indicator have pushed off from the oversold zone and are moving up. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money, guys. I hope that 1 minute will be totally enough for us in this situation, so let's wait for the result. Okay, as you can see, there was some kind of attenuation, but still we managed to make profit, guys. 1 minute was just enough for us in this situation, and although this level hasn't yet been broken, it is quite possible that this will happen in the near future. Now it's just to observe the price a little bit, and it is quite possible that we will open the next deal here. Okay guys, after a while, as just to open the next deal here, we will go with you for 2 minutes to go up. Right now we can see that the price is in the oversold zone. At the same time, the sliding average starts to turn around and move up. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. I think that the price will reverse from this point and continue moving towards the level. It is quite possible that this level will be broken this time. I hope that 2 minutes will be totally enough in this situation and I will be able to earn on this upward movement. Well, now let's watch the price and see what happens here in the next 2 minutes. It's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price really turned around and continued to move up. This is where we make a profit. I have really correctly managed to predict the further price movement. So guys, we have a support level down here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment after the pullback, the price has reversed and red candlesticks are beginning to form. We also see that the overall price potential is going down. The main price highs are getting lower. At the same time, the moving averages are currently in the overbought zone. This means that the reaction from this zone is more likely to occur in the near future. That is, the price will push off from this area and move down. Therefore, it's just open a deal for 2 minutes to go down on downtrend. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money, guys. I hope that 2 minutes will be totally enough for us. So let's wait for the result. I think that's great, guys. It's not bad at all. After a deal down, the downward movement continued and we got the profit. As you can see, the indicator has again helped us to identify again entry point. Indeed, there was a reversal from this area and the price continued to move down. So guys, here we have resistance level. At the same time, I also see that there was a good confident upward movement here. At the same time, we also see that the price has gone beyond the level. We can also see that the moving averages are currently in the overbought zone. This is also tells us that the reaction from this zone is more likely to occur in the near future. Therefore, in this situation, I suggest opening a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. Just at the moment there is a certain attenuation, the price has stopped. It is more likely that after a steady upward movement, the price will fall into the correction zone. There will be at least a slight downward pullback. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. I hope that 1 minute will be totally enough for us in this case, guys. Let's wait for the result. Isn't it great, guys? As you can see, the price really continued to move down and we got the profit. At the same time, 1 minute was totally enough for us. I correctly managed to predict the further price movement. Even the indicator helped us in this, guys. These situations really don't work out too badly, and in the meantime, I already have more than $6,000 on deposit, guys. I should suggest we end here. That's it for today, guys. As you can see, we had amazing situations today on the market. Guys, don't forget that to use this indicator, you need to analyze the market and only then to see the hints of this indicator. Only this way to combine technical analysis and the hints of the indicator will help you to get really good profits on the market. Now, if you want to take your trading to the next level, guys, I want to invite you into my exclusive community where I share my trading signals and they are totally for free. How to get them, guys? Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies in trading. Don't forget to smash the like button if you find this video very useful for you, and also don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new strategies. This way you will always be one step ahead in the game. Guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!